so when it comes to the present tense so when it comes to present tense in German language, it's very important to remember that there is no difference as in English, for example, between present simple and present continuous. So there is only one type of present in German language. So you will use present for something that you do generally and that you're now doing. Basically, no difference. Of course, you can add some, adverbs, time expressions to show when it's happening, but basically, usually from the context, it is known. So that's very important. The other thing that you should know is that infinitive form in German language is recognized by the ending n, meaning en. Okay, so zum Beispiel spielen, play, kommen, come, and so on. So basically that's how you see that it's a verb, and you just see the infinitive form. Okay, well, in order to form present tense in German language, you have to take this en off the infinitive. Okay, and to add certain endings. So basically, okay, you will take that off, and then we have a stem. Okay, this is a stem. Okay, and on that you add certain endings. We will see now which ones. Okay, so for first person singular, like ich, you need to add I. Okay, so it would be, I will take the verb spielen. Ich spiele. Okay, ich spiele. For second person singular, you would add st, meaning du spielst. You play. Er, sie, es spielt. Okay, so you add t. Spielt. Ich spiele. Du spielst. Er, sie, es spielt. Okay, so wir spielen. So we add en. Okay, it sounds like the infinitive, but it's important to erase en and to add it. I will tell you why later. Ihr spielt. So we also add t as in the third person singular. And sie spielen. Spielen. Okay, which means that we add en. Okay, so the endings would be I, st, t, and then en, t, en. Basically, some students memorize these endings by heart, like est, t, and so on, or they take one verb, that they know how to change, and on the basis of that they change the others. And this is, of course, only at the beginning. After a while it will just go naturally. So let's, for example, see kommen. Okay, the stem is kom, and it would go like this. Ich komme, du kommst, er, sie, es kommt. Wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie kommen. Okay, so that's how you form it. Most of the verbs are regular, but there are some irregular verbs, which we will see a bit later.